I'm not sure why people make such a big deal about snoring. Sure, it wakes me up sometimes at night, but then I figure if the toilet was overflowing or there was a burglar in the house, I'd be more likely to hear it. And my wife complained about it, but then she moved to the other end of the house to sleep, which means there's no more negotiating about what we're going to watch. And it's not like I don't have anybody to keep me company at night. Isn't that right, boy?
If you snore and have excessive daytime sleepiness, there's a good chance that you have sleep apnea. Call 1-888-33-SNORE to get a free screening for sleep apnea on the phone in about 10 minutes, or visit our website at 1-888-33snore.com to learn more about sleep apnea, because it's not going to go away on its own.